Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker Realty. Come on in and check out this newest listing. It's located at 38 Vernon Road. It's a 1,600 square foot cape with some really nice perks. One of the things is this wonderful family room with cathedral ceilings, and they're using it as a great room and a dining room. The kitchen has been updated. All the appliances are included. It has nice cabinetry. All your Corian countertops, double sinks, nice large windows over the double sinks, some glass fronts, double ovens, all black appliances. It has a lot of nice features. There's a lot of new trim throughout this house. We have some recessed lighting, 6-panel doors, and a lot more. There's a first floor, very large master bedroom. It's 23 by 12 with plentiful closet space. There are hardwood floors. They're beautiful throughout the entire house. There's 2 full bathrooms, modern bathrooms. Besides the kitchen and bathrooms, there are a couple of bedrooms upstairs with another full bath. The lower level offers a wonderful Baderas heating system, top of the line. There's a new slider that leads to a large deck and a very large level backyard that's fenced in with vinyl post fencing. This is located in southern Enfield, Southwood Acres, which is a really nice, desirable location. So if you'd like to take a look at this beautiful home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.